duit YouTube, conas tatu. So yeah, if you can tell, I'm wearing my necko. I've decided I'm gonna come to Recharge. Recharge is an event being run by Scouting Ireland for leaders after the summer programme, kind of get us back into Scouty spirit. So it's a good bit of fun actually. I've just done rock climbing.
Think about it more. Before that. You have 7 or 8 people on that. Yeah. There he goes. Choo choo. No. Well done. Hey! Over this side, down over your shoulder.
Hands on the rope.
Down over your shoulder.
Feet flat on the wall.
Feet flat against the wall.
Feet flat on the wall. That's it, and walk down.
And then I said I'd come down and finish off setting up my tent for the night. So no, having a good time all in all. Got some new woggles. Made all these. I didn't make that, but I made these ones. So gonna make a couple more and trade them for other bits and pieces in the market. So I thought I'd show you my tent. This is my sleeping area. Still tidying up. I kind of didn't pack right. I packed for wet weather, but now it's all sunny and warm, and it's kind of okay. At least my clothing is modifiable. This is my tent. I don't think I've ever shown you my tent. The Van Gogh Hurricane 200. And yeah, it's a lovely place. It's very nice. It's very quiet. Lots of people around as well, which is good. I'd say there's a good few. There'd easily be 200-300 maybe. I don't know. I haven't actually done a real head count. I'll do that at lunch maybe, which isn't too far away. So yeah. So I've come down with the LGBT Fellowship Patrol. We're it's another way of promoting ourselves and getting ourselves known, because scouts from all over the island are going to be here. So might as well get our name out. So yeah, cool. I don't know what else there is to do. I'm going to look at the programme. Might do kayaking in the afternoon. My friend Johnny from work is down and he'll be doing kayaking with them, but I don't know whether he's here yet. Brought my wetsuit with me, which I got a new one of, which I don't know if I told you about. But anyway, if we go kayaking, I'll take you with me obviously. And I'll take you around and we'll just have a look. It's looking nice anyway. All this grass is all new, and they're still doing up the place, but it's looking lovely anyway. So yeah, more to do, lots else to do, lots of new people to meet, and yeah, looking forward to it. duit YouTube. Conas tatu. Oh, it's a happy, nice evening. Been talking to some really nice random strangers. In this case, I'm not particularly worried about talking to strangers because they're all skets. So, yeah, it's all good. I'm just trying to make a couple more Woggles. They're having a charity auction for, I believe it's some girl has cancer or something, and they're fundraising for it. So I said, yeah, I'll donate a couple of Woggles. You know, it's no skin off my back to make them. I'm going to be doing them anyway. So I said, yeah, might as well donate a couple of Woggles. I also spent most of the day at the different workshops in the hall that you'll see in this video. I spent probably at least 2, maybe 3 hours in total working with the lady that makes. She's actually making Parachord Woggles as well. She made me this one. I got her to make 2 of them for me, but she makes Parachord bracelets and things like that as well. She's selling them to raise money for her daughter to go to the jamboree in Japan next year. No, 2015. Which is great. I mean, for something so easy, it's easy to make a bit of money out of it, and it's going to a good cause as well. You know, it's not cheap to go to the jamboree, so happy days. You know, she's making them anyway. She might as well get paid for doing it. You know, if you can get paid for doing what you like, then happy days. Do it and do it happy. So yeah. That's it. I just had a really nice evening, actually. Evening meal, dinner, manger, déjeuner, whatever the hell the French are calling it. I messed that up, didn't I? Yeah, déjeuner. So, yeah, they had a big barbecue, lots of steaks and baked potatoes and salad and all that jazz, and it was really good. So, when I booked in, I got that included in the price. So just go up with your voucher and it's like, here you go, thank you, happy days. Really nice bits of meat actually as well, really tender. So I'm quite happily fed, and well, I'll be watered later on. There's going to be the auction, and then there's like a party night basically. So that'd be fun. I didn't bring any alcohol with me, but I'm not terribly pushed. I couldn't fit it in my bag anyway, and even if I wanted to, and if I can't carry it, then I'm not bringing it. So, but I think there's something about a bar or something, so I might have a drink or two. To be social. So, yeah. That's the crack. I'm not sure what's actually happening tomorrow. If the kayaking is going on, I'll most likely do the kayaking. If not, I might do the orienteering or the fishing, maybe. Might go fishing, actually. I haven't gone fishing in a long old time. Yeah, plenty of options and no real kind of urgency for anything. It's nice. It is nice just to get away. I mean, it's dead quiet here except for the noise coming from the centre. We're in the middle of nowhere on the border pretty much on the border between north and south. If you come in one end of the camp site, you're coming from Northern Ireland, and if you come in from the other end, you're coming in from the Republic. So it's a really great base to have, especially for people who want to do cross-border relations and things like that. So that's the crack.